Hi guys, welcome back AllyCats. And if you're not an AllyCat, subscribe, become one. Join the kitty litter, it's not as gross as it sounds. Like this video, share it with your friends and family so that they can become AllyCats too. And let's get into this video. As you can see a lot. Like a whole lot. Like I'm standing. I'm vlogging and I'm so excited. I got a GoPro, the GoPro Hero Black, and I am just so excited to start vlogging my life, my career, and share everything with you guys. I'm about to go on an adventure right now that has to do with my career, and I will explain it later, but I gotta get in the car. So I will talk to you guys later. I'm gonna be early if I leave right now, actually, so I'm gonna take some time to explain what's going on. So earlier this year, before all this happened, my friend and I decided that we would go into business together. Now, this is one of my absolute best friends, and her and I have worked on makeup jobs together for years. And she's also been doing makeup just as long as me. She's had her business longer than me. And she has her own business, by the way, too, her own LLC. And now we're just like combining forces. We're making a new LLC. And earlier this year, we decided that we would open up a salon together, a makeup and aesthetics salon. Well, that didn't happen, and you guys can probably guess why that didn't happen. Certain things slowed that down. And we were pretty bummed out about that. We weren't sure what we were gonna be doing. We had planned and put so much effort into that earlier this year, and then, you know, it didn't happen. But something else did happen recently, and it's really exciting. Our business is going to be working inside of another business that is soon to open. It's not even open yet. This is a tattoo and beauty salon. So it's tattoos, aesthetics, so there's a lash artist, skincare specialists, and makeup artists. And my friend and I, we made this business together, and we're gonna be working out of that salon. And it's called Brick House. It's in Toledo, and it's opening soon, really soon, on the 18th actually. So exciting. And we found this out last week, so this is very new for us, and we are trying to get it all worked out right now, all the details worked out. By the way, I didn't even say this, our company name that my friend and I started is called The Beauty Bond. Her name is Kara. You're going to be seeing her, so her name is Kara. Her business is Pink Sky MUA, but now we're going to combine our two businesses, AllyCat Artistry and Pink Sky MUA, to become the Beauty Bond. I love it! I still love our name. I'm so proud. I'm just so proud that we started this, and of all the effort that has already gone into it, and will continue to go into it. There's a lot of work to do. But that starts with today. We're going to see the studio for the first time. We're gonna see our booth, see what that looks like, how much space we have, because we have to buy everything for it. We have to buy our furniture and decor and all of that good fun stuff. So we're going there today, seeing our space, measuring it out, and you're gonna get to see it too as a blank slate. Like, it is literally not open. Our booths, none of the booths, I don't believe, are filled yet. So like, is a blank slate, and I can't wait for you guys to see the whole process. This is so exciting. Kara and I both cried, and we're just so happy that we were able to work out of this studio. We're so excited for this opportunity, really. And I'm gonna be vlogging the whole thing, so I'm really excited that you guys are gonna get to see this journey too. And actually, if I keep talking, I'll probably be late, so let's get to the studio. So cute. Oh shit, I don't know. Fingers? Yeah. Oh. Alright. Yeah, curtains are right here. Yay! I'm just gonna put all these in and then hang it. Yeah, because they're bendy. Yeah, yeah. They don't like it.
Yeah, she only hired for like 5 inches.
Brandon calls all of my aunts and uncles by their, like, names, and I say that all the time. Like, they're not your aunt, but they will be. I'm like, all right, so we are at Restore. I'm sitting here waiting on my friend. She'll be here soon, and then we're gonna go in and check some dressers and vanities out. We're looking specifically for more of like a vintagey vibe. Her and I both love vintage, like design and furniture and just the whole aesthetic of it. Thankfully, we're always on the same page, I swear. Like, it's just been so easy to agree on things because we like so many of the same things. But yeah, we're about to go in this place. I will put a mask on in a moment, and I'm excited. I was trying to figure out like how tall and how wide we were wanting it.
I'm thinking we can't have it wider than. Well, what's the space? It's
9 by
9?
5. Yeah.
I don't feel like it should be that whole length, right?
No. With something like this long? Not.
That's kind of what I was thinking, like these kind of lengths.
And something much more.
Chair. But what's up?
So I just wanted to kind of like show a little more behind the scenes of starting a new business. I'm just gonna make a whole vlog on starting the business, the Beauty Bond, and moving inside of our new location. And I'm so excited. But I wanted to show you a little bit of the behind the scenes. Starts with this notebook here. Everything that we have to do within pretty much 2 weeks is on this notebook. So our main things are like legal things. Like, we just bought the LLC last night and just made an Amazon order today for our chairs. We're gonna have matching aprons. They're like these really cute, like vintagey looking aprons. And I'm so excited. I can't wait. I'm already planning like so many outfits and everything. Like, it's ridiculous. Priorities. But besides that, we still have a lot to buy. We have to buy lighting, decor, disposables, sanitary equipment, all of that still. And that's before we open. We have to combine our 2 businesses together. Because we have these 2 combined businesses, and as makeup artists, we accept all forms of payment. We accept card, cash, PayPal, Venmo, Cash App, like all of it. But we separately have accounts on all of these things. Well, now we need a joint account on all of these things. So that's something we have to do. We have to open a bank account, a joint bank account. We have to buy an EIN. It's a federal number that lists you as an employer, pretty much. Buy QuickBooks for ourselves. We have to write up a contract for the business. We have some questions for the owner we're gonna end up asking. Updating and pushing all of our social medias. That's a huge thing. We've both built up our own personal social medias for our businesses, but we have not built up the new Beauty Bond social media, which I'm actually gonna have linked right now. If you guys would please go follow and show some love, I would really appreciate it. Our pages need some help. You know, they're little babies and we need to grow them, okay? We have to actually come up with full menus of services and prices. We have a menu, but not like anything official. So that is something I definitely want to create and we have to think of specials that we're gonna hold for the whole grand opening week, month, the rest of the year, and then start transferring all of our personal clients to the Beauty Bond. And this is all within 2 weeks. We have to get all of that done, but there's more. This notebook here is like my life. Everything that needs done is in this. I feel like this is boring to listen to all this. I'm not gonna bore you guys, but there are pages and pages of information and things that need done. Owning your own business, there's not a day off. There's not one moment. Not a moment. And then me trying to build up this YouTube channel and make something out of it. At the same time, I'm putting in at least part-time hours into YouTube, at least a week. And then obviously full-time for my own business and this business that we now have. So yeah, there's not a moment. Literally had a panic attack the other day because I just got fully overwhelmed. But hey, you gotta hustle, you gotta push, you gotta do what you can. And that's the only way to be successful, really, unless you get lucky. So, and I am not a lucky person.
She's so lucky.
Never have been.
She's a star.
I have had horrible luck. So, I have to push, and I know I have to push. So that's what I'm gonna do. And that's what I know Kara is gonna do. And we're gonna push together, and I already know we're gonna be successful because we make such an amazing team. And we both want it so bad. And we have the passion and the drive. We're gonna do it. And I'm really excited to see what we're gonna do there. And the whole company, I think, is gonna take off that we're located within. I think it's gonna be amazing. I just wanna show you a little bit of what was going on. I'm actually going to be meeting Kara soon. I'll take some footage of this today. And if you want more information on how I started my own business, then let me know. I think that'd be a fun video to make. So, all right, I'll catch you guys later. Okay, so that was the studio. I'm so excited. What do you guys think? Doesn't it look so badass in there? Like, it's literally my two personalities coming together into an aesthetic. Like, it couldn't be more perfect. And you guys don't know Kara very well, but it is literally her too. Like, it is absolutely perfect for her. So like, we were just geeking out the whole time, trying not to look stupid in front of the owner. But like, we took that tour, we got our measurements and everything for the studio, and then we walked outside and just started like jumping and screaming like children. Just so excited about it. And now is the fun part where we have to just find furniture and like decorate our booth and get it all set up. So you guys are gonna be along for that ride too, and I am just so excited to share more of my life with you. I'm so excited. So yeah, that would be it for today's vlog, but trust me, there's so much more to come. If you want to see more vlogs, then please subscribe, become an AllyCat. Oh no, I only have one hand with the GoPro. AllyCat. Like this video, share it with your friends and family so that they can become AllyCats too. And turn on the notifications so you know when I post. I post every Friday. I love you guys. Bye.